My grandmother started her daycare. She always say, "I've been here since 1972." So it's way before I was born. My grandma, she's loving. She has a heart of gold. She's a giver. She loves kids. To the community, Miss Graham she's the foundation. She's their support. She's there for everybody.
My grandmother is a role model to me because she is strong, and she's shown me how important it is to carry yourself and just to keep going, always keep going. So we have my 2 older cousins, my 2 younger cousins, me, my 3 siblings, my other cousins.
If I'm not mistaken, I think there were 19 or 20 of family members that she started with Brookstone, and she referred every last one of them.
Okay, I also sent like 15 kids from the daycare to Brookstone school because I love Brookstone's. I love it. It's school. And it was a blessing for me to have my grandkids and my great kids in a safe place.
I'm so grateful for my grandmother for identifying Brookstone, because she identified a path for the kids that really paved a way for success in their lives and just knowing how to navigate with God in every part of your life. I guess I would say they stood in the gap for me. Most of the time, Grandma dropped them off, but when I got a car and I was able to drop them off, I knew that they were being well taken care of. They were being taught, not just, like I said, academically, but they were being taught spiritually, and the foundation, those little seeds were being planted. So my daughter Sakori, she started Brookstone in kindergarten, went all the way to 8th grade, graduated, and now she attends North Carolina A&T, majoring in early education.
When I think about Brookstone, I think about the faith they instilled in me, as well as the tight-knit community, the family, and the importance of education that they instilled in me to the point where I now want to be an educator. I want to eventually work up to opening my own elementary school or just getting in administration.
She loves 3rd grade, so that would be my dream for her, to go work, be a 3rd grade teacher at Brookstone and, give those children what Brookstone gave her.
With Ja'Cory, she just love it, and I think it would really hurt her if she don't get a job at Brookstone.
And it's wonderful to see my grandmother's legacy still continuing with Lauren, who's her great-granddaughter. She's a 6th grader at Brookstone now.
I still just love to go to Brookstone. When I walk through that door, I just feel that same love that I did when I first walked into Brookstone School.
When I walk through the hallways, I'm reminded of the declaration we used to do daily called Who I Am in Christ. It's just very affirming when you are, maybe a little confused on where you stand. Even today as a college student, when I'm struggling, I'll think back into, who I am in Christ and where I stand, and just to be strong and keep pushing forward.